Kenya is one of Africa's top travel destinations, famous for its wildlife, beaches, and warm culture. Before visiting, know that most travelers need an electronic travel authorization, ETA, instead of a visa, and your passport should be valid for at least 6 months. If you're arriving from a yellow fever risk area, you'll need a vaccination certificate. The local currency is the Kenyan Shilling, KES, though M-Pesa mobile payments are very common. For transport, use Bolt or Uber in cities and the standard gauge railway SGR for travel between Nairobi and Mombasa. Kenya is best known for safaris. Always follow park rules, don't get too close to animals, and wear neutral clothes. The best time to visit is July to October for the Great Migration, or December to March for good weather and beaches. Kenyan people are friendly and respectful. Always greet with a smile or handshake, dress modestly, especially in rural or coastal areas, and ask before taking photos. English and Swahili are both spoken. Simple words like jambo, hello, and asante, thank you, go a long way. Health-wise, use mosquito repellent, drink bottled water, and stay alert in crowded areas. Plastic bags are banned, so carry reusable ones. Don't miss local markets for Maasai beadwork, carvings, coffee, and textiles. Whether you're on safari, relaxing at the coast, or exploring Nairobi, Kenya offers unforgettable experiences and genuine hospitality. Check the description for a complete e-visa guide before you travel.